What up mga subscribers, no? So ngayon guys, manonood po tayo ng mga updates po sa ating Mahalima, no? So ang papanood natin kay SB Edits, no? Isa to sa mga pinapanood ko guys pagdating po sa mga updates na ganyan sa Mahalima, no? So subscribe kayo dyan, no? Solid dyan guys, no? And ayan, kanya po lahat ng video natin. So credits lahat sa dito, no? Sorry na ako na burp. Napadalas na yung burp ko, So without further ado, let's all watch this.
SB Edits. Fresh
SB
new
Edits?
and major updates about SB19.
Let's go.
Before anything else, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell button for more SB19 updates.
18. We are back again to give you the latest updates about SB19, and we got an amazing update to give you 18 as Superior Sun Philips clothing brand released a pre-order for SPS Rider leather jacket earlier at 7 p.m. and the pre-order of it was recorded to be sold out in less than 10 minutes. Wow, the power of 18 is really undeniable.
Nakita ko nga to guys, no, nung nilabas to, no. And nagulat ako sa presyo, no. Nasa 8K yata, no. Sobrang solid. Kasi napaka-solid doon. Pero syempre guys, solid yan na knowing yung hindi man naglalabas si Philip ng isang merch na hindi ganun ka quality, no. I'm pretty sure quality yan, no. Hindi mo masabi kung hindi mo rin dito. Alam mo yun, yung hindi naman to the point na aanihin niya yung quality para sa presyo, no? Parang gano'n, no? Kung baga titipirin niya yung quality para sa presyo, no? Si Philip, solid yan guys, no? And may kita man sa pormahan niya lahat, no? And ayun, yung 8K na yun, I think yung quality nun is talagang worth talaga ng 8K guys. Hindi wala kayo sa akin, napaka-solid na. So, sayang na, pagtingin ko nga, dapat napaisip nga ako kung bibili ako nito. Kasi pagtingin ko nga sold out, no? Grabe, no? Napaka-angas nun.
Thank you so much to all 18 and CC who purchased Philips new release merch.
Nice one, no? And ayun guys, no, sabihin ko sa inyo, no, yung mga merch na yan guys, hindi naman napupunta lang sa wala yan. Yung mga merch na ganyan guys is ano yan, kumbaga napupunta rin sa fans nila, napupunta para magkaroon sila ng quality na music video and everything and stuffs, no. And comment down below nga guys, hindi ko alam kung ilan ba yung nag-release ng merch, no. Grabe, ang bilis maubos. Ang solid, napaka-solid talaga ng mga CCU, syempre ng 80, no. Napaka-solid, no. So tingin pa tayo ng updates guys, no. Naka-post pala.
SB Edits. Fresh new and major updates about SB19. Before anything else, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell button for more SB19 updates.
Let's go.
18. We are back again to give you the latest updates about SB19, and our Mahalima once again made their iconic introduction for today's event of Xiaomi. Here is the video shared by B on Twitter.
Pakilala mo muna kami. Get it down!
Break!
What is up, Xiaomi? I'm your bias record, God.
Okay. Ito yung classic nila, no? Yung nagpapakilala sila ng mga introduction na individual. Dati kasi, ang nangyayari kasi, para, get in the zone, break. We are SB19, gano'n, no? Eh ngayon talaga, classic to guys. Ito yung SB19 na nakikita na dati na talagang ganito yung intro.
I'm forever yours and forever born. I'm strong. What's up, everyone? I'm Pablo. Good evening po sa inyo lahat. I'm Justin. Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Ako si Ben and Beyond.
Before this video ends, we would like to say thank you to B for allowing us to use her video for this update.
Hey.
For more Funcom videos for today's event, we will attach B's Twitter profile on the pinned comment of this video.
Shoutout sa
Make
KB,
sure
no?
to check it,
Nakakanood din
18.
tayo ng mga updates sa ating Mahalima. Siyempre kay SB Edits, no? Credits po lahat sa kanya tong video na papanoorin natin. Tingin pa tayo guys ng mga updates, no? Alam ko napakarami pong updates po ng ating Mahalima, no? And yan, tingin lang tayo, no?
SB Edits. Fresh new and major updates about SB19. Before anything else, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel
Subscribe
and
to
click the
SB
bell
Edits.
button
Let's
for
go.
more SB19 updates.
18. We are back again to give you the latest updates about SB19, and we got another update to give you 18 as we will be sharing you clips of SB19's arrival and exit at the Xiaomi event venue. First is SB19's arrival at the venue, where we can see how the crowd went wild. Here is the video shared by Zadie on Twitter.
iba pa guys, iba pa rin
Next
talaga yung charisma ng SB19, no? Kumbaga, ewan ko yung dating kasi nila talaga guys, iba pa yung dating nila, no? Kumbaga iba sila like on stage, iba rin yung pag nasa ano sila, no? Pag yung off-cam, yung ganyan na arrival, no? Talagang, damn, parang mapasabi ka na ng, ito yung P-Pop Kings, no? Ito yung P-Pop Kings. Parang ganun yung ano talaga nila sa akin. Although sila talaga yung P-Pop Kings, no? Pero, mapasabi ka talaga na gano'n, no? Na, sila yun. Parang ganyan, parang tatayo balahibo mo pag nakita mo sila.
Video is SB19's after performance where the boys are now going down the stage. Here is the video shared by Yana on Twitter.
Hey! Uy! Puting na si Ja! Tignan guys, puting na si Ja. Oh! Oh, parang sinadyan siya siguro, no? Kasi inaalala si Josh.
And the third and last video is SB19's departure from the Xiaomi event venue.
Guys, shoutout sa mga nanonood ng ng live performance. Talagang napaka-solid po talaga nila para ma-capture yung mga ganitong moments. And all credits po sa kanila lahat doon, guys. No? Kung may i-credits kayo or i-ano kayo din sa mga videos, so lahat po ito, all credits sa kanila. Sila po talaga yung pinaka nag-effort makapunta talaga. Kasi tayo, tamang taga-subaybay lang tayo. Still.
Before this ends, we would like to say thank you to Zadie and Yana for
Shout out
allowing us
Zadie
to
and
use
Yana.
their videos for this update. More Funcom videos were uploaded on their Twitter profiles, so if you want to watch it, links of their Twitter profiles were attached in the
Okay,
pinned
nasa pinned comment daw yung guys watch nyo na lang yun. Nakikita nyo ron. Subscribe tayo and everything sa kanila guys, no? So this is the last update guys, no? Kay SB Edits. Shoutout kay SB Edits.
SB Edits. Fresh, new and major updates about SB19. Before anything else, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell button for more SB19 updates.
18. We are back again to give you the latest updates about SB19. And we got another update to give you 18 as SB19 made a 2 out of 3 record as our Mahalima got the 2 out of 3 best-selling Filipino tracks in iTunes Philippines for the last 3 years. Starting in the year 2021.
Okay. Best-selling Filipino tracks on iTunes PH in the last 3 years. 2023, Gento. Matik yan, boy. And 2022, Rosas, Nika del Rosario, Gapangilinan, okay? 2021, Mapa band version, SB19, Ben and Ben, okay?
Which was Mapa and Mapa band version by SB19 and Ben and Ben. And in
Nice
last
one.
year, 2023, with SB19's worldwide hit single, Ganto, and also the only P-pop group who got multiple best-selling Filipino tracks of the year record. Congratulations SB19 X18. Keep on purchasing SB19 songs on iTunes.
Nice one. So, suporta tayo guys, no? Suporta tayo sa ating Mahalima, no? And ayun lang. Basta, sariling, naman natin yan. Sariling mga kababayan natin yan, guys, no? So, bakit natin hindi susuportahan, no? And, ayun lang, no? Para sa akin, masuportahan natin yung mga sariling kababayan natin kaysa po sa mga foreign artists na. Pero, syempre, ano yan? Kumbaga, it's your own free will naman yan, no? Walang masama kung asino i-suportahan mo. Walang masama kung masusuportahan mo yun, no? Kumbaga, depende sa inyo. Pero ang sa akin lang naman, mas solid guys na suportahan natin yung ating sariling kababayan. Although na ako nagre-react din ako or nanonood din ako ng videos ng mga foreign artists or foreign groups or foreign mga singers or what, or syempre dancers, no? Pero alam mo yun, mas ano pa rin ako, mas suportado ko pa rin yung mga kababayan natin na let's go. So yun lang guys, no? Kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe to DC Point of Signing out. Peace, that's G.